Hello, my name is Gladys Paola Caballero Garcia, in present below. Tenerife Island. Tenerife is a beautiful island located in the Atlantic Ocean International, catalogued as island of eternal spring, though there is multiple landscapes. This is a beautiful place visited as a couple finds romantic. Sainsbury's is also a good place to go in family for its diversity of activities. Tenerife has a population of 928,000 inhabitants and enjoys a remarkable ecological diversity through a spectacular climate between 18 and 25 degrees where you are to a beautiful distant visiting. The tripping will last 3 days and 2 nights. In that day's day can do activities like Arrival Day, Science Park, a water park, to see in Tenerife with children. Second day, San Cristobal de la Laguna, the most beautiful city in Tenerife. Last day, sin whales en Dolphins Tenerife is activity that I recommend for the incredible experience of observing the animals in their natural habitat. Means of transport. The main way that arrived the island is use the extensive network of roads with west it is the web the main run of highways. Burhat will join moving in Tenerife. Waka in bus. The cheapest way route Gerarón Tenerife in connect with the entire immensity of the population. Triam connects Santa Cruz with the Lobo. Taxi. A man's well give one comfort is spirit. Rental car. The best way out road in Tenerife, this suburb from the airport. There are many to do in Tenerife, both in urban and rural settings, ranging from the beach to the mountains, wherever type of travel yours. You will always find a perfect plan for you. Teide National Park is UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Santa Cruz de Tenerife is the capital of the island, the largest city in Tenerife. Walking through the small streets of its historic center, a strolling along the ramble will make you discover the special character of the city. Puerto de Ella Cruz, a beautiful city to see in Tenerife. Banigio, beach is of volcano, orange and stain are far its characteristic black color. Accommodation. Weiler Hans and Cruz Tenerife set a kilometer from Tenerife airspace, house Weiler of accommodation with a shaded luggage, a terrace and shared kitchen for who convenience in free Wi-Fi throughout the premises. Situated in Tacoronte, a few kilometers from La Laguna. Fin al pastel features and shaded lagoon and free Wi-Fi. Gastronomic. Gastronomy is of great importance dancing when choosing a travel destination and Intinerario is a wide variety of delicious to enjoy. Wrinkled potatoes are the typical Canadian dish and are served everywhere. The barbecue is the best way to try different types of fish in a mixed batter made up of fish, shellfish, and the typical Canadian potatoes. I wait for you. Thank you very much.